Find all the values of k for which k cube is equal to 8. Take solution. K cube equal to 8. Transferring 8 to the left hand side gives us k cube minus 8 is equal to 0. The number 8 can be expressed in index form with 2 at the base. 8 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. In index form, it is simply 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3. We are going to replace 8 with 2 raised to the power 3. And this will give us k cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. K cube minus 2 cube is a difference of 2 cubes. The difference of 2 cube, a cube minus b cube, has factorization a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is the factorization of this is the factorization of the difference of 2 cubes. Comparing k cube minus 2 cube with a cube minus b cube, our a is k and our b is 2. We are going to replace a with k and b with 2. This will give us k minus 2 times k squared plus 2k. K times 2 gives us 2k plus 2 squared. This will simply be equal to k minus 2 times k squared plus 2k plus 2 squared, which is 4. K cube minus 2 cube equal to 0. Then the product k minus 2 times k squared plus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. It simply means k minus 2 is equal to 0 for this product to be equal to 0, or k squared plus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. If we take the first one, we equate k minus 2 equal to 0. Then k will simply be equal to, we are going to transfer negative 2 to the right hand side, which becomes positive 2. This will give us k to be equal to 2. This is our first value for k. We are going to call it k1. Next, we are going to solve the quadratic equation k squared plus 2k plus 4 equal to 0 to obtain k2 and k3. Remember, this is a polynomial of degree 3. Therefore, it has 3 solutions. Next, solving the quadratic equation k squared plus 2k plus 4 equal to 0. We are going to make use of the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula states that k is equal to negative b. B is the coefficient of k, which is 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a. A is the coefficient of k squared times c. C is the constant. We divide by 2 times a. A is the coefficient of k squared, which is 1, b is the coefficient of k, which is 2, and c is the constant, which is 4. This will give us k to be equal to negative b, negative 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, 2 squared, minus 4 times a, 4 times 1 times c, which is 4. We divide by 2 times 1. This will be equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared gives us 4, minus 4 times 1 gives 4, times 4 it gives us 16. We divide by 2 times 1, which is 2. This will simply be equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 16 gives us negative 12. We divide by 2. This will simply be equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 12 can be expressed as 12 times negative 1. We divide by 2. This will simply be equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 12 times negative 1 can be broken as the square root of 12 times the square root of negative 1. We divide by 2. This will simply be equal to negative 2 plus or minus. We can express 12 as the square root of two numbers such that one of the numbers is a perfect square. 12 can be expressed as 4 times 3. The square root of negative 1 gives us I. We divide by 2. This will simply be equal to negative 2 plus or minus. The square root of 4 times 3 can be broken as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3 times I. We divide by 2. This will be equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 gives us 2 times root 3 times I. Then we divide by 2. This will simply be equal to, at the numerator, we can factor out 2. 2 times negative 1 gives us negative 2 plus or minus 2 times root 3i gives us 2 root 3i. Then we divide by 2. 2 will strike off 2. We will be left with negative 1 plus or minus root 3i. It therefore means our K2 will be equal to negative 1 plus root 3i, and our K3 will be equal to negative 1 minus root 3i. Then we conclude, therefore, K1 equal to 2, K2 equal to negative 1 plus root 3i, and K3 equal to negative 1 minus root 3i are the solutions of K cube equal to 8. We can take K2, the value of K2, and we verify. If you take K2 cube, is simply equal to negative 1 plus root 3i all this cube, which is simply equal to negative 1 plus root 3i all this squared times negative 1 plus root 3i. This will simply be equal to squaring negative 1 plus root 3i gives us negative 1 squared gives us 1. 2 times negative 1 times root 3i gives us minus 2 root 3i. Squaring root 3i gives us root 3 squared gives us 3, I squared gives us negative 1 minus 3 times negative 1 plus root 3i. This will simply be equal to 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2 minus 2 root 3i times negative 1 plus root 3i. This will be equal to negative 2 times negative 1 gives us 2, positive 2. Negative 2 times root 3i gives us negative 2 root 3i. Negative 2 root 3i times negative 1 gives us plus 2 root 3i. Negative 2 root 3i times root 3i gives us negative 2 root 3 is squared, I is squared. This will be equal to 2. Negative 2 root 3i plus 2 root 3i, this will cancel, we go to 0, minus 2 times root 3 squared gives us 3 times I squared, which is -1. This will simply be equal to 2 minus 2 times 3 gives us 6 times -1 gives us -6, which is simply equal to 2 minus -6. Two negative signs becomes positive. 2 plus 6, which is 8. You can see we are done with the solution. If in case you have any problem, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.